Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to study mental maths. Okay? So let's start. So children, take out your mental maths book. Chapter 2, numbers up to 20. Pages 10, 11. Okay? Now children, we will be doing division of mental maths, page 10. So open this page. See, A. Use the numbers strip to add the following. Number strip you see here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. Okay. So see here number 1 11 plus 7. 11 you see number plus 7 you add, so total 18. See here 4 number 2. Okay, number 2 7 plus 8. See 7. Okay, plus 8, this addition, add, plus 8 means you go 8 step. 1 2 3 4 5 8 step. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So your answer, number 2 answer 15. Okay, you stop where 15, number 15, so answer also 15. Okay, next see 3. Question 4 plus 6. So your question 4. So plus 6 means you go 6 steps. So I going here. See, everyone follow me. 4. See, I going here. 4 means 1 step, 2 3 4 5 6. See here, answer is 10. See, 4 plus 6, answer is 10. Okay, now children say next 7 plus 10. Okay, 7 plus 10, follow me. 7, question is 7 plus 10 means you go 10 step. So now I am going, see, 1 step, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So your answer 17. Okay, so I write here number 4 answer is 1 7 17. I write here 17. Okay, so next question, see here 5. Okay, 5 12 plus 4. Use the number, you see here, use the number strip to add the following. Okay, so see here we use the number strip to add the following. How we use 12. Where is 12? Yes, 12 plus 4 means you go 4 step. Follow me children, I am going 4 step. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. So your answer 16. Now I write here 1 6 16. Okay, you also practice. Okay, next 6, next 6 6 6 question, 9 plus 7. Okay, so first you choose 9. Yes, number 9 plus 7. Okay, so you go 7 step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So your answer 16. 9 plus 7, answer is 16. So I hope everyone understood. Next next B. Children, number A, 7 8 9 10, do it on your own. Okay, practice. Now children, B. Okay, B use the number strip to subtract the following. So how we will be used subtract actually use the number strip to subtract, or this is backward. Okay, number subtract means backward number. So you how we will be used now. See, everyone follow me. 16 minus 10, you see here. Where is 16? Yes, this is 16. 16 minus 6, I go backward. See, 6 means I go 6 step back. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, 10 answer is right answer. See, same answer, 10. Next, number 2. See, 15. So number is 15. Okay, so minus 5. So I go back 5 step. 1 2 3 4 5. Now I stop number 10. So answer also number 10. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Next, 3. Question 3. 11 minus 4. Where is 11? Yes, 11 minus 4. So you go back 1 2 3 4. So your answer, yes, number 7. Okay, question 4. 13 minus 7. Where is 13? Yes, minus 7. So you go back minus 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So your answer, yes, 6. So children, practice. Use the number strip to add the following and subtract the following. Okay, page 10. Practice. Next page, assignment 9. Add the subtract by drawing the crossing bits on abacus. So subtract by drawing the first you draw, okay, or crossing bits on abacus. See here, this is crossing bits, this is crossing bits, okay, and drawing also. So number 3 tens ones, okay. So your bits, ten, question is 10. So bits I draw first, 10. So 30, 10 plus 3 means add 1 2 3. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, okay. Next 4, question 4, tens ones I write first, tens ones. See here, 10 plus 7, so 1 0 10 plus 7 is equal to, I draw here bits, 1 10 plus 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total, yes, 17. Total 1 7 17. 5 also, question 5 also, question 5, tens ones, I draw here tens ones. See, ten plus 8, so I draw here the bits, okay. 110 plus 8, so 8 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 1 8 18, okay. Answer 1 8 18, okay. So write here 1 8 18, okay. One 8 18. Next, number 6, tens ones. Question is 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4 is equal to, right here, answer. 18 means 1 tens, okay. 8 ones, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See here, minus 4, so crossing bits, children, crossing the bits, 1 bits, 2 bits, 3 bits, 4 bits, okay. I cross. Now left 1 2 3 4, so your answer 1 4 14, okay. 1 4 14. Next 7, tens ones. Children, I hope everyone understood. So practice, okay? See here, question 1 4 14. So bits I draw here 14 bits. 110, okay, 110 and 4 ones. 1 2 3 4. Okay, minus 3. Question is 14 minus 3 is equal to how much? So 14, I draw here the bits. Now I am crossing. Okay, crossing, 3 crossing. Okay, 1 2. See here, I am 3 crossing the bits. Okay, crossing bits. So left 1 1. See here 110. Okay, see here 110 and 1 1. So 11. Next, last maths, 8 tens ones. Okay, 16 1 6 16. Okay, so bits also you draw here 16 because this is subtraction. Okay, so 16 minus 5. So I draw here 1 tens, bits I draw here, and 6 ones. So I draw here 6 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See here, question is minus 5. Minus 5. So now I am crossing 1 bits, 2 bits, 3 bits, 4 bits, 5 bits. I crossing. So left 1. So 110 and 1 1. 1 1. So 11. So you write here the answer 11. Okay. So I hope everyone understood crossing the beads on abacus. So children, first you drawing drawing the beads, drawing or crossing, not drawing just drawing and crossing beads on abacus. So I hope everyone understood. Now children, take out your school diary. Homework chapter 2 pages 10 and 11. Okay, so practice.